my name is Maria. For this assignment, I designed a learning experience around making mother dough cookies. I'm using this simple activity to demonstrate my learning theory, which views learning as both cognitive and emotional, driven by motivation, context, interaction, and developed thought through transferable skills shaped by engagement, feedback, and practice. A mother dough is a basic cookie dough that allows you to add any mix-ins they want. Cookies are inherently motivating. The activity is enjoyable and rewarding. Instead of teaching baking skills in isolation, I use the cookie recipe as a meaningful context. Measuring, mixing, controlling temperature, and choosing mix-ins all happens within a real, concrete scenario. The design encourages interaction with materials, as well as with the process of creaming, mixing, folding, and baking. If this were used in a class or workshop, learners could also interact with each other to compare variations. Verbal skills appear through this practice, following multi-step processes, interpreting instructions, and adapting a base recipe. Exercising creative choice can all transfer to other baking or cooking tasks. Learners engage by creaming the butter and sugar, then adding egg and vanilla. They combine the dry ingredients and fold in the optional add-ins, and bake at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. And personalize the dough, which supports emotional engagement through choice. As they work, they receive ongoing feedback. The dough texture, the thickness, how the cookies spread in the oven, the outcome becomes feedback itself. I continue developing this paradigm. I'm curious about how emotional engagement influences long-term skill retention in hands-on learning. I'm also exploring how to design activities where learners feel safe to experiment and learn from their mistakes. My approach was inspired by constructivism ideas about building understanding through meaningful action, and by my own experiences learning best when tasks feel both personal and practical. Thanks for watching. This cookie making design is a playful way to show how cognitive and emotional elements, interaction, feedback, and practice all work together in my learning theory.